And next is our what I can say, or waifu character that I like on the anime, I guess. Let's start with the one that I bought that come without the box. So this is a, I don't know what anime is called in English, but yes, you can see it. Her name is Yamada Anna, if I not wrong. I think her name is Yamada, right? Or her last name, I'm not sure. Yamada. It came without the box, so it's quite cheap. It's not cheap to be honest, but it's cheaper that come with the box. So I just bought only one of it. And next is the main character from cosplay darling, I think it's called. It's quite small compared to Anna. These two I bought only one of each. But next let's just say, as you can see on the short that I upload, I guess you can tell that I love this anime. So Overlord is my most favorite anime of all time now. So I mean, Albedo is one of my favorite female character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Isn't it obvious that I like Overlord and Albedo? Hey, every model that you see here, it come with the box. Some is already open, some is still unopened, but now I open everything because I want to put it on display. So let's start with the smallest one. So this is a video on the beach. I don't know what it called. This thing. So it's gonna sit like here, and it have I love ice, Isama, the main character of the Overlord. So it's gonna sit right here like this, and that the figure that start everything is this one, the albedo in the kimono. I like the texture of the kimono a lot. So this figure start everything. Up next is the albedo in the main costume. I mean, it's kind of okay, alright. Nothing too fancy, but some people might say it too revealing or something. And next is a video in the swimming suit, I guess, or you can say something else. This one is I mean, I got these two, and I don't want to say I want everything. I mean, every figure of albedo, but I miss only I think three, because in this figure it have the black bar, and another white, just white. That change only the color of the bra to white. That's it. And it have a sweater, albedo in sweater for two color. I don't quite remember the sweater color, but it just switch color. But I didn't buy those. And next is just albedo in the, I like the model action. The action of it is kind of cute, I think. So I just bought this because of the pose. And next is like me. I mean, the most expensive albedo of them all, because it's the biggest, is this one. As you can see here, the maid is the tallest one, and you can compare it like this. This one is much taller, and it comes with a wing, so of course it's gonna be more expensive than anything else. And it's just a costume from the straight out the anime. It have the black costume also, but I don't think I want that. And for white costume, it's more expensive than the black one, just 500 yen. So I mean, I want the white one. and all the hair is similar to everything else. It's soft, so you're not gonna broke it easily. It's quite stiff. I think it's gonna hold up, but I don't know about the heat of Thailand. If it's gonna make it drop down a little bit or something like that. But overall, everything is quite alright. So all of this model figure, I'm gonna put on my main PC, just to cheer me up when I editing all of the video. Very good. And for the last item, it's just a book from Gundam Thunderbolt. To be honest with you, I buy this book because of the confusion. I just see this. I think it's Mobile Suit Gundam, the first one, the original, and I just bought it. Because I never see the Thunderbolt anime before. But everything inside is worth it. Okay, it have a poster and all the artwork inside. Just look at it, right? This one is Psycho Sack, I think, and Shield Gundam. I'm gonna show you some of it. All the artwork, it look gorgeous, and it have a little bit of backstory. And you see, two poster. Oh, they have two poster actually on the two sides. This one is a Sion one, and this one is the main character from the. I don't know what it's called in English. I only know what it's called in Thai. As you can see here, the poster. And from Sion.